What adventure should we choose today? Let's do gardening in our backyard today. Yay!
Let's grow our own vegetables and fruits.
Let's go! Wow, our garden. What do we need to plant vegetable?
First, we need our gardening tools.
Let's learn about them together. Let's get started. This is a shovel.
This is a watering can.
Why do we wear gardening gloves?
They help keep our hands clean and safe.
Now we're ready to plant.
Let's get this garden ready.
We can do it.
Hold the shovel like this, Sam.
I like raking. The soil is soft now. We took away the weeds and stone. Let's plant our seeds.
Every seed needs a little space to grow.
Our garden is growing. I can't wait to see our plants.
Now let's give our seeds some water.
Seeds need water to grow, but not too much.
I'm watering the tomato seeds.
Wonderful. The seeds grow healthy.
Now let's let nature do its magic.
Mom, it's a new day. Can we water our garden today?
Let's go and check if our seeds are growing.
Our little sprouts are growing.
Look, our plants are getting taller. They have new leaves.
Let's keep taking good care of them.
Can you spot what's new today? A butterfly and a ladybugs.
Are our garden friends.
Let's be gentle.
Can you spot what's new today? Flowers! Flowers grow first.
Soon we'll have vegetables and fruits.
We're getting closer to harvest day.
Your patience and care helped everything grow.
Let's harvest our garden together.
Today we planted tiny seeds. We made the soil soft and
We
clean.
watered our plants every morning.
With sunshine, water, and love, our garden became healthy and strong.
We planted it, we cared for it, and now we can enjoy it together.
Growing your own food is healthy.
What would you like us to grow next?
Don't forget to like, subscribe to Sasha Stories, and become a Sasha Explorer. See you on our next adventure!